My name is David D. Schein. I'm an author. I'm also a professor at the Cameron School of Business, University of St. Thomas. And I have written a variety of articles, but I've written a book called The Decline of America, 100 Years of Leadership Failures. This is a quick shot of the book. And I wrote the book because I felt that there is a need for us to approach the leadership of America in a different way and to point out some of the things that we've done right over the last 100 years and some of the things that we've done wrong, and to try and come up with some solutions to make sure the next 100 years is even better than it has been.
So, Dr. Schein, you're a professor, right?
Yes.
And so what you've done basically is what you would do with your students, and you've graded the presidents based on their performance.
That is correct. And nobody got an A, and in fact only one president barely got a B, and that was Harry Truman got a B minus. He was the highest grade in the book.
So in addition to being an author and a professor, you're also a consultant for small businesses, is that correct?
That is correct. I do try and help businesses primarily with employment-related matters. I've been doing that for over 40 years and focus on legal compliance and also practical compliance.
So thank you, Dr. Schein. Now, if someone listening would like to have you come speak to their organization, are you available?
Absolutely, and despite the limitations on travel, I'll go pretty much anywhere that I can get. Domestic travel has not been restricted yet, and of course anything in the greater Houston area is certainly fair game, and other places will certainly be happy to talk about it.
So other than your book, what other topics would you talk about if you came to an organization's meeting?
Well, one of the areas that I have been asked to do, I do speak for a number of national organizations. Of course, a lot of these meetings are on hiatus or canceled or postponed, but a number of industry groups have meetings, and I am a frequent guest to talk about current employment topics. One of the popular themes, I do a presentation called The Top 10 Employment Concerns Today, or the 10 Hottest Things in Employment. And so we talk about the issues that employers need to worry about. Obviously, right now, coronavirus would be number one, but there are a lot of other issues that employers need to deal with. Another issue that is very hot is whether someone is actually an employee or an independent contractor. And so employers need to be very careful to make sure if they call someone an independent contractor that they really are. The consequences of misclassifying a person as an employee versus an independent contractor could be very significant.
So how would someone get in touch with you?
The easiest way to do it is to go to our website, World Wide Web, ClaremontManagementGroup.com.
Thank you, Dr. Schein.